Imagine a platform where you can launch startups and grow. Welcome to LAUNCHPAD. Our integrated e-commerce app features your products and networking and marketing opportunities help you grow. Moreover, our platform's AI categorizes your business type and awards badges like affordable, eco-friendly, and high quality, recommending you then to your targeted customer base. It also uses business intelligence to identify growth opportunities. For example, if your boutique reveals a limited product range, our AI suggests partnerships with complementary businesses like shoe stores and design joint offers involving requests and complementary shoes to accommodate a wider range of customer interests. It can also connect you with specific compatible boutiques in various locations to merge your sales with in order to back mutual support. You can also collaborate with our community to refine your ideas and spark new ones. Need funding? Investments by investors and monthly funds for top performers have got you covered. Either way, you can earn as a director in existing startups or invest in them in return for equity or shares. Want to upskill? Explore our education programs, internships, and mentorate. Registration is simple. Create your profile, choose your preferred plan, and apply for your desired role.